Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is going to be our flip through for May. So I just did my budget kit. I placed everything right and I wanted to show you what my May layout is going to look like. And before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below and hit that notification so every time I upload a video, you will not miss out, you guys. Alright, so this is the Erin Condren planner, and this is the 7.9 planner. Now, if you want to get your own planner, then the link will be down below, and you get $10 off your first purchase, and then I get, I think, 1,000 points, which is equivalent to $10 that I could buy, like, stationery or anything that I need for videos like this to show y'all. And this is what my front, if you are new, this is what my front cover looks like. And this is not customized, but I picked the font. I didn't pick the font, but I did not pick the font. I did pick the color of the background, and then I had my name on it. Alright, so we are just going to flip on May. So if you've seen my unboxing for Etsy, I am using the Tempest XOXO design, and she sent me, or I bought the lemon one, but she did send me some extra ones, so I'm going to link that video down below in case you want to watch that unboxing. Alright, so we have May laid out right here, and then I just bubbled in all of the little stickers for the dates, and then we have 3 paydays this month, and that is great, you guys. So we have one on the 1st, the 15th, and the 29th, so I will be dividing up my bills into 3 payments, or if I have the extra money, I will go ahead and pay it. So then on the last payday, I can have extra money to go towards like savings or debt or anything like that. So flipping around, we have the weekly check-in. So we're going to have 4 weeks of weekly check-in, and that always includes grocery, gas, fun money, cushion, which is my debit card, and then my sinking funds. So that should be really fun, and hopefully I can get a lot more no spends in the coming of May. Next one is the sinking fund. So if you are new, we're just going to go through that once again. And we have 3 paychecks also. So the first column is the funds that we are going to be stuffing, which is college, vacation, medical, car maintenance, Christmas, Black Friday, wedding, special occasion, beauty, tag, and gifts. Now, if you have any questions about that, leave me a comment down below and I will be sure to message you back. So we have 3 paychecks. Paychecks 1. T means the total of our budget, because I had to fit 3 paychecks into this page. So we have paycheck 1, total, paycheck 2, total, paycheck 3, and total. So that is our sinking fund. So then we have May budget. So we also have 3 paychecks. My estimated is $1,300. So that is my goal to get each paycheck. That is how much I want to get. So that includes like overtime, call, anything like that. But since everything happening in the world right now, I cannot get a lot of overtime, so fingers crossed that I can, but if not, it's fine. So that is going to equal to $3,900 for the 3 paychecks for the month. Alright, and then since we have 3 paychecks, there's paycheck 1, 2, and then 3 is on this side. So I'm not going to show you everything, but I'm just going to go over the rent, or the bills and everything, and the due dates. So we have rent, car, phone, insurance, credit card, light bill, gym. Yes, they are still charging me for gym even though it is closed. Mediacom, and then my student loans. The due dates is June 1st, May 28th, May 28th, 28th, the 1st of the June, 5th of June, 28th of May, 18th of May, and then the 3rd of June. So that is pretty much it, you guys. And then last but not least, I have the last paycheck. So this is the overview of how my layout is going to be on May. So be on the lookout for my weekly check-ins, my stuffing my cash envelopes, and my sinking funds. And then, yeah, so hopefully in May I can do my debt snowball. I am actually waiting on something that I ordered from Erin Condren, so I'm waiting on that. But anyways, if you like what you see, if you want to order your binder, link will be down below for Erin Condren. If you want to order a kit like what I have, then go check out Tempest XOXO Designs on Etsy. She's amazing, so go and check her out. But anyways, short, sweet, and to the point, and I hope y'all have a great weekend. wherever you are, and be safe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.